Hello guys, I welcome you all to the nursing education. So today we are going to discuss about some main side effects of the tablet aspirin. So we are going to learn the side effects through a mnemonic word, that is aspirin itself. So A for asthma, S for salicylism या फिर peptic ulcer disease. P stands for phosphorylation oxidation, uncoupling या फिर PPH, platelet disaggregation and premature closure of postural ductus arteriosus in infants or in babies. And here R stands for intestinal blood loss. I stands for intestinal blood loss, and R stands for Rees syndrome. I stands for idiosyncrasy, and N stands for noise tinnitus. So these were all the side effects of the tablet aspirin, and you medicos, all of the medicos must remember the side effects of aspirin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.